Hello everyone, welcome to Topper IAS. As part of our daily series, today also we will continue with our discussion of a topic keeping UPSC mains in focus. So the topic already we have started with the caste system in India. So we have seen what is exactly the caste system and what is its origin, like tradition, right? So what are the four castes that we have? So in today's class, we are going to see what are the issues that are around caste system in India. Okay, so let's get started. See, society as a society, what is the end goal of society is to be together, and there has to be peace. Moment there is peace is there, everybody will be growing, development will happen. Okay, but there are certain evil things happening in the society which hinder such kind of progress and development, right? So women discrimination, transgender issues, children issues, women, right, all these stuff. So caste is, so the n number of evils are there. So caste system is also considered as one of the evil in the society as of now. Okay, so why it is considered as a evil? Because see, the system has bestowed many privileges on the upper caste while sanctioning repression of lower caste by privileged groups. So this is a clear cut exam manifestation of inequality, right? So privileging someone and not privileging others is a inequality, right? So because of caste system you are seeing discrimination, and caste system is the bane for Indian society. Why it is a bane? Because it divides the society into sectarian groups and classes, right? Yes, so society, as I said again, has to be, is coming together for peace and development. But if you start dividing the society into different groups, so what happens is people's lack of awareness leads to conflict among different groups and sectarian tendencies, right? So likely conflict will disturb the peace in the society. So that is not a good sign, and it is kind of bane, not a boon for Indian society. So what are all the, we said it is a bane, right? So what are all the evil faces of the caste system? See, one is untouchability. So many villages in India are separated by caste. So people of different caste are segregated in the villages, right? Not only villages, even in urban areas you will be getting to see people of different communities segregated based on religion lines also. But here we are talking with respect to caste system. So many villages are segregated based on caste, and they may not cross the line dividing them from the higher caste, and they may not use the same wells as well as wells, or drink the same tea stalls as higher caste. So this is a segregation. So not drinking tea from where the higher caste people drink, and people of lower caste will be having their own tea stalls and all the stuffs. Then another manifestation of caste system is discrimination. So people of lower caste often do not have the facility like electricity, sanitation facilities, or water pumps in lower caste. So they also face the issue of lack of access to better education, housing, and medical facilities than the higher caste. Okay, so these opportunities are also equally divided, discriminated or denied for the lower caste. So can you, if at all somebody asked you to, is it justified? See, you have to quote the facts of what is the status of lower caste in terms of education and all. So that fact will be justifying how whether they are discriminated or not. So you already know constitution provides, right? So we will discuss it later. But right now remember, there is untouchability. Okay, segregation of people. There is discrimination based on the caste. Okay, then division of labor. See, what it does is they are restricted to certain occupations like sanitation work, plantation work, leather work, cleaning streets, and etc. So people of lower caste are made to carry out occupation these kind of, and they are not given opportunity to work in other areas. Okay, so this leads to segregation, rigid system where people are forced to work in certain areas, right? And it perpetuates such kind of work across the generations. Then another evil face of caste system is slavery. So they are subjected to exploitation in the name of debt, tradition, etc., to work as laborers or perform menial tasks for generations together. Okay, so slaves, so they are treated like animals, and they are being exploited in the name of debt, tradition, and all this stuff. So you have to do a favorable thing to higher caste people because it is how the tradition is. So these kind of unjustifiable reasons have been given. So another problem with the caste system is problem of national integration. See, so the caste system not only increases disharmony among us, but it also works to create a huge gap in our unity. So the caste system, how does it do that? It sows the seeds of high lowliness, inferiority in every human mind since childhood. So people are already getting, see, what is happening in the individual is not just outside, internal also, psychologically people will be affected, right? So you are, by saying that you are of lower caste, you are psychologically creating a higher and lower superiority complexes within a human beings. So this is creating a divide, right? Psychologically there is always a divide. So that leads to see manifestation of division in the society also. That is a conflict, right? So division leads to conflict. So moment there is a conflict between different groups, no more unity. So that will be affecting national integration also because of caste divisions. Then it will also progress the development, disrupts the progress of development. See, the tension created by caste hatred or caste appeasement by political parties hinders the progress of nation. See, that is nothing but again because of divisions, because of conflicts, protest, all these things will be going on. So no more peace. So moment there is no peace, n number of things will be affected, beginning from quality of life. Okay, not only that, economic activities will also take a back seat. All this stuff will be happening, and there is lesser of trust in the society, and lesser trust is not good for any society. Okay, so that's it for today. You can also download the PDF of this document in the link that is shared below, and do download Topper IAS Institute app so that you get access to n number of these videos. These videos will be definitely helping you in your UPSC mains preparation. Okay, so that's it for today. Have a good day. Thank you.